I'm in Turkey's capital Ankara at the train station and I'm about to board the longest train ride of my life. I'm going to take the Doğu Express from Ankara to Kars in the very east of Turkey, and it takes 24 hours. But actually my journey today started already much earlier. I took the high-speed train from Istanbul to Ankara today at 9 a.m. and I arrived here in Ankara at 2 p.m. Now I have a few hours time before my Doğu Express departs at around 6 p.m. I booked the ticket online for 1,240 Turkish lira, which is about 25 euro. An absolute bargain for a 26-hour-long sleeper night train ride. Also, keep in mind that this is a very popular route and it's usually sold out already a few days in advance. The Doğu Express departs from the old train station. It's right next to the new one. The new one is very big and modern, looks almost like an airport. And the old one is right next to it. You can walk over in 30 seconds and here it is. At the Ankara train station are a few small shops and supermarkets where I bought snacks and water for the long ride. This is it. The train is already waiting 1 hour early at the platform, so I'm still early and I have the cabin until now to myself. I have already 2 roommates and I'm pretty sure there will be a third one as well, because in the booking system when I booked the ticket online it showed me that I got the last berth actually. And I was right. Shortly later my third roommate showed up in the compartment. All 3 were Turkish guys and they did not speak any English. I don't speak Turkish, so we tried our best with a translation app. They were really friendly and even bought me some tea later on. Tea was the #1 drink on this train ride. I spent a lot of time in the restaurant car and had many cups of tea. It is also a place to meet people. I met a Turkish guy who lives in Germany but is originally from Kars and was on his way to visit his family. It was probably the first time I spoke any German since I left Berlin and Vienna a few weeks ago. At Erzincan, the train stopped for a while, I would say around 20 minutes. It was the only time I actually left the train during the ride. There is a small shop where you can buy snacks, bread and water. I have arrived in Kars, walking to my hotel now. We had a delay of 2 hours. Originally I thought the journey takes 24 hours, but it takes 26 from 6 p.m. in the evening till 8 p.m. the next day. And now it's 10 p.m. I just checked into my hotel room, and while I was checking in, another person from the hotel approached me and asked me if I want to join his tour tomorrow. He is going with a Scottish guest to Ani. That's an ancient Armenian ruined city around 50 kilometers from Kars. I will show you Ani in the next video. Thank you for watching until the end. Feel free to like and subscribe to follow me on my overland journey to Singapore.